Hi, wishing you all a very happy new year. Hope you had a great new year bash. Since I wanted to shoot this video in an open area, that is why I have come here on the terrace. I hope you don't mind this extra sound which is coming from outside, and next time I would try to fix this also. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Well, today I'm going to talk about a very unique and special technique of learning English. This is known as pick and speak technique. It's such an easy technique, and at the same time it's very interesting. Let me tell you, it's very interesting, and you would love to adopt this technique on a daily basis. And it's a kind of game. You can enjoy this along with your friends and anybody you can just do this along with. You can do this in a team. It's so amazing, so interesting. You'll feel as if you're just playing a game. Okay, so I'll talk about this technique, but before going on to this interesting technique, I'm going to talk about homework, if at all you remember the homework. So I said that take your homework seriously because this is really going to help you. So the homework was about your new year resolution. If at all you've made any new year resolution, please drop that resolution in the comment section. And if you haven't made any resolution, let me tell you, you need to make one, because everyone looks for changes in life, changes for betterment, changes for becoming a better version of your own self. So if you talk about me, I have made quite a number of new year resolutions. To mention a few, I would say that the first and foremost is that this year my wardrobe would be completely organized. Yes, I'm going to organize my wardrobe because I face a lot of difficulty. Whenever I need to go anywhere, say it's a classroom session or it's a party or it's a meetup with friends, I rarely find the right outfit on the right time. Then what's the use of having all the collections of westerns and Indians and fusion outfits if you don't get the right outfit on the right time? So it's about time management. It's about organizing my wardrobe. I'm going to manage my time in such a way that I am able to squeeze out some moments out of my daily schedule for my special me time. And my me time is really very special for me because I love to spend my time with my adorable music. I want to listen to my favorite songs, and I want to have my me time along with my own, thoughts over creating poems. You might not find it very interesting, but to me it's very interesting because I love to think about my poems. I create poems while lying down or when I'm just spending my me time. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to manage my time. So this is about me. There's so many other, resolutions on the list. But what is your New Year resolution? Talk about it from the heart. Just feel where you want to bring about changes. Either you want to join a gym or you want to join a dance class. What fascinates you this year? Are you really going to start with some kind of creative work, or are you going to help people around and start a kind of social work, or you just want to change your eating habits? What are those things which are really holding your concern? So share those things with us. Now coming to this technique which is known as pick and speak. Now pick and speak technique is so easy. It's a kind of game, and it's usually adopted in classroom sessions also to teach students about communication, how to communicate well in other languages, or you can say foreign languages. So here we are talking about English. English is a foreign language, isn't it? So that is why we need a little bit of practice. It's about having a basket in your hands or anything in which you can gather some things, and you just hold that basket in your hand and go around, randomly pick things from different places, some things lying on the table, some lying on your study table, some lying on your bed, some lying in the kitchen. Gather those things and set the timer for 5 minutes in some other system or phone or clock, whatever you have. Now suppose I have gathered these randomly just now. This is what I have gathered. So I'm going to talk about it. Suppose the timer is on, okay? So I'm just giving you a demonstration how you would be doing, how you would be going ahead. So I have got these many things. Since I'm associated with these things, I don't need to think much about it. I can speak, spontaneously about these things, whatever comes to my mind the first instance. Here I have this packet of candles. And this I got along with the birthday cake, the cake that I purchased for my friend's birthday. I went there without, you know, having this. I went there without this packet of candles, and the cake was there, but this packet of candles was missing. Somehow she arranged the candles, and then she blew off the candles, and we celebrated her birthday. The one which I have here in my basket is this pocket diary, or you can say a small notebook. It's very special to me. I always carry this in my purse. So I make sure that I write all important things here. Suppose I'm going to the market, my shopping list is here. Although one copy is there in my system, in my phone, but you cannot depend upon these systems, You need to have this old system also along with you. So I carry this always whenever I go to any place. This is the ink with which I fill in my marker pen, and then I use that pen for writing on the whiteboard when I carry on my sessions with students. So this is a tea coaster. So it's wooden texture. Really, I like. I got this from Nainital, and it's a little different from the other tea coasters which are available in the market. And that's it. So I don't know how much time I have taken, but you will be taking only 5 minutes and pick up a few things, and then just start speaking whatever you know about those particular things. So the next homework is talk about your favorite book, whichever book you've read recently. Any book, it can be any book, it can be a comic book, it can be a novel, it can be a self development book, any book which you've gone through recently in the recent past. If at all you haven't read any book, just talk about a story that you like very much. Okay, any story that you've read, either 10th standard, 12th standard, or recently if you've come across any story. Okay, so this is definitely going to give you great results, believe me.